Did you know that how the antivenom given after a snake bite is made? Actually, first, the snake venom is extracted and diluted so that the venom can be weakened. Then, that venom is injected into the body of a horse so that antibodies can form in its blood to fight the venom. However, this worsens the condition of the horse. Once the horse recovers, it is injected again, and this process is repeated until enough antivenom is produced. Afterward, blood is drawn from the horse's jugular vein, and the antivenom is separated in the lab.